Okay, the cart progress for September 7th, 2011. Basically what I got done was the drainage roughing. Oh, and you can see it there. Got it pretty much completely roughed in over to the wastewater tank. So got a little bit of touch-up painting I got to do. And then I got the pump, freshwater pump, or just the water pump installed. And you can see I have the cold water and the hot water. And then I got it from the supply of the freshwater tank. And then I brought both the cold water, or the water supply, and the hot water line from where it's going to mount to the water tank, a hot water tank. And that was about it today. So I may do some more. I may put the front wheel on the cart. I'm probably going to mount the cart on the trailer tomorrow. So we'll see. Get the wheel on the trailer, the front wheel. Washed it off today, Lauren did. So that's pretty much it for today. Don't know that I'm going to do too much more tonight. So